Hey, I love you.
I remember saying this to a speck of dirt on the window one time. When I was a kid, I believed the whole world breathed life. The speck of dirt, the sidewalk, my notebook pages. I believed all of these simple objects possessed a certain kind of wonder. The speck of dirt talked to me, and my notebook pages walked with me. The world was wonderful, and I was joyful. Over time, however, these tendencies waned. I stopped speaking to dirt because I learned it could not hear me. I stopped walking with my notebook because I learned it could not see me. Slowly, wonder faded from my vision, and the world became gray. It was at this time I begged my mother to take me to the movie theater every day. When we could not go, I sat in front of the television, enraptured by the promise of another reality, where anything could happen. In movies, dirt didn't just talk, it could sing. In movies, notebook pages didn't just walk, they could fly. When I watched a movie, color filled not only my screen, it filled my world. Years later, I realized wonder comes from more than movies. Now I make my own films, so I can remind every young boy and girl, every man and woman, that wonder exists in our everyday lives. Wonder mostly exists not in dirt or notebook pages, but in people, family, friends, and even strangers. I make movies to capture this wonder, the astounding wonder of people. And I share these movies with others so they may see the wonder too.